about who's the best MC, Biggie, Jay-Z, or not. I'm out for president to represent me. I'm out for... Stop that, Google. Stop that. Now, I think we're going too far back for y'all. How many people in the building got that Reasonable Doubt album? Give me some for them. I want to vibe with y'all for a second. If you got that Reasonable Doubt album, you know what this is. And if you know what this is, make some noise. It's only for the people that was down from day one. I want to vibe with y'all for a minute. While I'm watching every nigga watching me slow slam. My shit is for the blood, they wanna toast me. I keep my head low, but they